Good morning, warriors. Good morning, warriors. Good morning. Welcome to the lesson one. The lesson one this morning. I love you so much. I miss you a lot. Okay, chicos, we are going to see 5 lessons in this partial with classwork. And we are going to see 7 lessons for all. Okay, this is the lesson one. And today we are going to learn a lot about the moon. Okay, this is the lesson one. Wait. A ver. This is the lesson one. The moon and stars. Repeat after me. The moon and stars. Very good. Okay, you can do this experiment in your house if you want with one plastic ball and one light or flashlight with one brother, cousin, or your mom, or one friend, or one neighbor can flashlight or give you the light, and you can put the ball and turn around to see the different phases of the moon, okay? Or you can put it with one lamp or in your house. You turn off the lights like this. You put the lamp and then you turn the plastic ball. Or if you don't want, you don't do it. It's not a classwork. It's only one experiment that you can do in your house to see the different faces. Okay, face is not my face. It's this face and star. 2 words that you have to learn and you have to repeat in your notebook. Face and star. Okay, why can we see the moon from air? Why? Because the moon does not shine the way the sun does. The moon is made of rock. The moon doesn't or does not shine alone. Shine because receive the shine of the sun. Okay? Look at the picture. Looking here. This is the sun. The sun gives the shine to the moon, and the moon lights appear, and the moon shadow appear too. So the sunlight shines on the moon for the reason we have the different phases of the moon. The moon does not just stay still in the night sky. The moon moves in a path around Earth. Obviously, yes, mister. The moon moves around the sun, and look at the picture. The moon spends the 24 hours to move around. Look the different phases of the moon. Okay, pay attention in this part. This is the most important. Why does the moon seems in different shapes? From Earth, the moon looks as if it's changing shape. The moon does not really change shape. Our view from the air or our view of the moon changes as the moon moves during 1 month. O sea, 4 weeks. O sea, 30 or 31 days. Super easy. Okay, look at this picture and look at this part. In here, wait, here is the sun, right? And the shine is in this part. But from the earth, we see the dark. And we call new moon, right? This one is receiving the shine, the half shine, the half shadow. So this is other phase of the moon. This is the opposite of this. We see the light, and in the other part is dark. And the number 4 movement is half light, half dark. Okay. Uy. Phew. I'm sorry. Okay, a ver. This is the new moon in the first quarter moon. I'm going to read what is the new moon. The dark moon that we see. When the moon is between Earth and the sun, we cannot see the sun's light shining on the moon. Oh, obviously. And the number 2 is when we move, this is the first quarter moon. After a week, the moon looks like this. The half dark and the other half light. Super easy. Super easy. Okay, this part. The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. The word is face. And this is other example, the full moon and the last quarter moon. This is the opposite. The moon moves to a new place, but the next week we can see all of the moon's lit sides. Look, and the other is why the third week of the moon is the 3, 4. The day is third quarters. It is way around Earth. Okay. Don't worry. The only thing that you have to learn in this unit is the phases of the moon. A star is an object in space. What are stars? It's an object in space made of hot glowing gases. The gases give off heat and light. Some stars are very bright. Stars can be different colors and sizes. Look at the pictures. The stars, chicas y chicos in the sun, make patterns. Patterns is seen in the night sky of the northern hemisphere of winter. Look, we can see in the sky the different patterns of the stars. The star is not the same of the moon. The moon is the moon. Stars, stars. Don't confuse. Okay, from here, stars looks like tiny points of light. Yes, it's true. At night, if you see the sky, we can see like different points of light, and we call stars. Look, in conclusion, we have 1, 2, 3, the phases, the most important phases of the moon. Look, and the names of, we have the new moon, the crescent, bueno, let's see. In here, the classwork. Okay, in the classwork, we are going to see the phases of the moon. And you, warrior, you're going to make this classwork. You can do the model 1. Van a escoger uno, solo uno, okay? The model 1 is with one plastic plate and the different names of the phases of the moon. The number 2 is, you can do it like this with paper. You can use the tazos of the snacks and color it with the different phases of the moon with one hanger. Okay, this is other, and this is one of my favorite. You can do it with Gorio's cookies. New moon, crescent, first quarter, Givens, full moon, right? The third quarter and the crescent. You can do it. How many phases? 8. And this is 1. You're going to choose only one of the 3 that you like most. Mr. Marvin is going to give you other video that is going to explain better this. Okay? Bye bye. Do your classwork. Recuerden, solo es una la que van a escoger. Ok, solo van a escoger una y van a mandarme una foto. Bye bye. Pónganse las pilas, chicos.